Hi Capricorn, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com, and this is your monthly forecast for June 2012. Capricornians, we start this month with Uranus that is going to be transiting your fourth house. Now, Uranus is a planet of cosmic surprises, it's a planet of unpredictability, it's a planet of some amount of an upheaval. And your fourth house rules your home, where you stay, how you stay, your house guests, and they could be some amount of an uncomfortable situation even with house guests coming and going. It also has to do with the location of your house, where you stay, how you stay, and it also covers your domestic health. So, with Uranus coming and touching that part of your chart, there could be a lot of commotion, or there could be some sudden surprises that could be happening around this part of your chart. There is a lunar eclipse on the 4th, and eclipses normally come in twos, they come in pairs. And the last one that came, it was on the 20th of May. And this lunar eclipse is going to be focusing on your health, Capricornians. I think there is a lot of stress on not just the fitness aspect, but what is it that you're consuming? Is it too much of processed foods that you're eating, or is it too much of oily food, canned food? There's a lot of focus that you should be taking more care on your diet, on what is it that you're putting inside your body, and a shift, I would say, more towards the organic. So if you can try and have, it does not have to be really a lavish spread, but if you can try and have more salads or have more simpler yet more organic food, it will do your body good. There is also stress this month a lot on your long working hours, and a lot of you obsessing about work in general. And I think somewhere, maybe some of you think that this is the way it is supposed to be, that you are supposed to be working so hard and you are supposed to, you know, um, be this way. And being in any case a sign which is ruled by Saturn, you are in any case very stoic and very aware about your responsibilities. However, with the planetary movements this month, it suggests that it could be draining your body, um, all the excess work. There seems to be some amount of a stress on a lot of excesses. So maybe you need to be taking some time off, or even if you can't take some time off, I would say that try and uh, relax a bit, even if it is taking a short walk during the lunch hour at your workplace, or whether it is trying to squeeze in that 20 minutes in the morning and just going for a quick quiet walk. It will do you good, Capricornians, because this seems to be um, really pushing you, and it seems to be really draining all the energy of you, and it's not good. We have a new moon on the 19th, and this new moon is going to help you break all the undesirable patterns that you have been trying to do for the longest of time. And this could mean whether, you know, as simple as smoking, or alcohol, or even procrastination, or for those of you who have been sitting and spending a lot of time on the couch and watching TV. This could be a time to be getting rid of those patterns. Again, there is a stress with this new moon on any form of excesses. So whether it is, it could be as simple as berating yourself, that you've been maybe just not been able to do something, and you've just got used to complaining, or maybe even beating yourself about it. So this is the time really, you will, there is a lot of planetary support, and the planets will help you get rid of this particular pattern. Also, for the next 5 months, I think it's a lovely time wherein a lot of you are going to be reaping in rewards for all the hard work that has gone in for this entire year. So I would say it's a good time ahead. And starting June, it will be like getting some back presents from a birthday party, so to speak. That is how universe is going to be treating you, Capricornian, for the next 5 months. You will be getting little small presents for all the hard work that has gone in. End of the month we have Jupiter, and Jupiter is connecting with the beautiful goddess of love, beauty, and money, that is Venus. And she's going to be connecting in your sign, and that's a lovely time. It's going to maybe see you bumping into someone who's very unusual. It could be somebody who's very unconventional, very creative, and he or she could come and set your pulse racing. So have a lovely month. I'll see you again in July. And thank you so much for watching.